Hello YouTube, it's me Bruno98, and in today's video we'll be upgrading the RAM in my early 2011 MacBook Pro. The machine's got 4 gigs of RAM currently, and I'm going to be putting in a 16 gig kit thanks to Cameron over here. Got him on Skype, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it off the bottom case. Let's top off the bottom cover. Inside, you guys can see there's the 4 gigs of RAM and the 120 gig SSD. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop out the RAM. Nice. I love how they include a HyperX sticker. Right. So let's go ahead and pop back on the bottom cover. Oh no, there we go. I forgot to reconnect the battery. Nice. Detected it. Yes, sir. Yep. That's awesome. Everything just instantly loaded up too. Yeah. I'm gonna use my Mac Pro to go in and grab the screenshot so I can send it to you. Nice. Alright, so there we go, guys. It was a successful upgrade. Thanks again to Cameron for giving me such a good deal on the RAM. And catch you guys in the next one.